Welcome back to Time for Change Kitchen. I'm Danielle Bassoni. Today we are going to make chocolate ice cream using bananas. This is a simple recipe. It was shared with me by Leanne Campbell, author of the China Study Cookbook. And as always, I made my own little tweaks to it, and that's what I'm going to show you today. We're using 2 cups of frozen bananas. And what I like to do is put them in on a cookie tray on a Silpat, and I cut the bananas lengthwise into 3 pieces and just lay them flat on the cookie sheet and stick them in the freezer and freeze them. And so the first thing we're going to do, and you have to work quickly before everything melts, and we'll wear earplugs because whenever I use loud electric appliances I try to protect my ears. So we'll just grind this up as small as we can. And you'll notice that when I put these in here, I had already broken them up in about, as small pieces as I could get it without actually chopping it up. And that just saves gluing time. That's pretty good. And we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this is pure vanilla extract. And at this point, I'll add the chocolate. This is a 1/4 cup of Hershey's Cocoa. Well, usually I would add some soy milk to this, but since these had melted just a little bit before I started, I don't really see any need to. This is a nice, rich, thick looking ice cream, and I don't think I'll add the soy milk. This, of course, will be a soft serve ice cream. And I should have mentioned that we just use the S-Blade that comes with the food processor. Leanne likes to use the Vitamix for this task, but I prefer using my Cuisinart food processor. And the reason is the Vitamix, as you start mixing things that require a lot of blending, it tends to get hot, and I don't want to melt the ice cream, so I'd rather use the food processor for this. Okay, that's all there is to it. And we will put these in our containers. Let's see if my sous chef will give me another one of these. Could I have another one of these, Rich? Just a second. Thank you. And I like to top it with pecans. If you want to, you can just fold pecans into the mixture. I would take the S-Blade out first and do that by hand so that you're not chopping up the pecans into tiny pieces. So there you have it. 2 perfect servings of luscious, delicious vegan ice cream. that you can enjoy without guilt. There you have it. I'm Danielle Bassoni, serving up whole foods for whole health.